Ktien chung hi de sang ktien chung hi. Lada sung thu rgi bhin ne mon rgi bhin bro chung hi de sang chung hi. Nang sibet hi nang penbenang sarkar Meghalaya bang Ktien Khasi bang Ktien Garo la penlong kanyang Ktien sarkar ha Meghalaya ne khen bechi ong lang bachai de ka official language ha Meghalaya penbenang sarkar ha gini gi archat gi Ktien Khasi bang Ktien Garo. Hang ba kanyang tangpor mbala jo proi la jo kemen gi bru ha jela bro ka woi henry ka woi ka kenhun gi Garo ki ba chong basa harilum Khasi ka bang partit ki kenhun la tip khen ge Khasi Hills Achik Joint Action Committee mentagasngi ledawa ga hakmat ulat ka jela UCH Vijaya Shankar baci mak bha biang sucisin hang rukom pentri kampura hang bejo penun kam hang Ktien Khasi bang Ktien Garo ka kenhun ledawa ga laulat ka jela bagi samla nong thep kam bat ki Nongpoh kam ki badai na gachaj banru Garo lane ki Achik ba hang matho exam DSC ki harilum Khasi chei ki jijo baci Thoh lang Ktien Garo hang chung rukom balada gi Khasi ki bachong basa harilum Garo jijo gi baci Thoh ka exam DSC da ka budget lang Ktien Khasi uwoi lagi nong mikmat lagani kanhun gi Garo ki basa harilum Khasi uba Manuel CH Marak haba jokaran bagi batho khubor ha Shillong hadien bala dep jo chemgi baulat gajela te ongu baga kanhun chongu la jo ga baci pensengap hakmat ulat gajela bha ningkam baci pha ha sarkar bachai ge cipen bena la khenyang ning makwa baki wat lapat jo arki ngajobab ko bachai henry kermen gi baulat cipen sengap u baga sarkar ro cipen sengap ka haki bha ang majo mentoy lang gi samla phurikam jo dei gi Khasima jo dei gi Garoma Cucu uba Manuel CH Marak ongu bakat kum karukom bapentrikam bamanta ki kertong di batho exam DSC chei ki jitip Ktien Garo lada apply ki income ha Garo balada apply ki harilum Khasi pan chei ki jitip Ktien Khasi tiga ni la penchem jenge ka ha ki samla ga jela ha badai ka chu ga jela te ya sa lang ki ha Khasi Hills bah Garo Hills bat ya gani te khang balare namar de ka chu ga jela kani ka kanhun banjur ka laang boong bagani kam lakta bhaka haki kertong Garo ki bachong basa ha Khasi Hills ki bakwa chi apply kam ha Khasi Hills lengba ka DSC khen bakhana panchai sok khndit long gate ka sarkar la panmanaka baya ka Meghalaya Official Language Ordinance 2018 baci tipno ha ka Khasi ba Garo khen Ktien Official Language chong jela ka baci benrap lang baga Ktien Phareng so ong woide katkum kenik ordinance kini gilai terligi Ktien kata Khasi Garo bat Phareng la ci penan kam bha ki kam office bagi kam Thoh kamtar bagi office sarkar hapdyang gi lada pha citi gi paiba lang Ktien Khasima lang Ktien Garoma nadu kata rich kabla depen bana ka sarkar ka Ktien Phareng pat nang hap pateng ki baci penan kam hapo ki office bajodai bagi kam civil bagi kam criminal code kat ba ka jingilang chong ka assembly ro nang hap pateng gi baci penan kam hi lang Ktien Phareng.
Today we met the Honorable Governor of Meghalaya regarding the district selection job recruitment system. So, which passed the bill that they had mandated the Garo and Khasi. Here they had mandated the Khasi language in the Khasi Hills region, and then the Garo language in the Garo Hills region. So here, what we have found and what we have faced, that what we have feel that. So here, we feel that since the government of Meghalaya, they have recognized the Garo and Khasi as an official language, and the government of Meghalaya, they are trying to include Garo in the 8th schedule of Indian Constitution. So, since the government of Meghalaya, they are trying to include this both language, and they had recognized the Garo and Khasi as office language. So then, that the government, how they had mandated this Garo in the Garo Hills, and then the Khasi language in the Khasi Hills region. So here in the Khasi Hills region, so there are more or less 4 lakhs of the populations are residing here in the Khasi Hills region, Garo communities. So I think we feel that the government they had deprived us. I think they had discriminated us. So they didn't. I think they didn't in their town or in their I don't know. So I think they didn't find the Garo people. I think in the Khasi Hills region maybe. But let me clear here. So here we are residing here in the Khasi Hills region. So since the what to say before the British era, we are residing here, and we have equal rights. And here what we found. So our people, they cannot compete in the district selection committee because of the language. So here only our people they used to fit. So once they had recognized this Garo and Khasi language as official, so they should mandatory in a both Garo Hills and then Khasi Hills. So it should be optional when we appear the examinations and all. So it should be optional, either Garo or Khasi. So if the Garo appear the DSC exam, that means they should give us the opportunity to appear in our own mother tongue. So we feel that it's that the government of Meghalaya, they are doing unconstitutional towards the community of Garo community in the Khasi Hills region. In this being partially, so at least they should think for the people of this Khasi Hills Garo people also. They should think. They should treat equally. So they are doing partially. I don't know why they are doing. Why they are trying to deprive us. I don't know. The Chief Minister related this issue, and we had talked with the Honorable Chief Minister also regarding this issue. So we have submitted the memo also, and then now we have submitted this memorandum to our Honorable Governor. So here we feel that means that the government they are doing partially. That too we know 100% that. So they should not do that.
What
He said that he will take up this issue very seriously, and he will negotiate with the Honorable Chief Minister, and he will discuss regarding this issue.
your demand is to scrap that thing which was
Yeah. We appeal to review and to modify this bill. So we are appealing to review this bill to modify it L2 so that it should be mandatory in both Garo Hills or Khasi Hills. So that means say one thing I want to say that more.
Both the language.
I want to say one thing that say once when they had recognized this Khasi and Garo as official language, so this Khasi language will be stuck in the Khasi Hills region only. So it should be go to Garo Hills also. It should be like what to say, same.
the whole state.
Yeah, in the whole state. So that we want. And here in the Khasi Hills also, let the Garo also it should, so that us with a brotherhood, we should know each and every language. So that we want. So that the government what they have done, that is, I think that is not wise. That is totally discriminations. Yes.
What are other issues?
We had circulated this memorandum and all. We had talked also. We had negotiated also. And maximum of the MLAs and all, they are not happy with this. So it should be equal for everyone. So that's we want
You
from
are
our side.
representing from